Well, today, the federal criminal trial for Ryan Routh enters its second week. Prosecutors moving swiftly through the case, calling more than 10 witnesses and suggesting Routh's plan was calculated and that the would-be assassin prepared for anything, including having a carefully crafted gear checklist. NewsNation's Brook Shafer joins us live from outside the courthouse in Fort Pierce, Florida. So, Brook, where do we stand this morning?
Well, Kelly, Ryan Routh minutes ago just pulled into this federal courthouse where his criminal trial is moving very quickly. Already, we have seen more than 10 witnesses called by the prosecution. Ryan Routh could call his first witness this week. So far, we've heard testimony from a lot of law enforcement, mainly from the FBI. They have testified in part about the sniper's nest they say Routh set up right next to President Trump's golf course, and the bags they found with snacks and metal plates inside they say Routh had planned to use to shield himself. The jury on Friday, Kelly, they also saw the rifle prosecutors say Routh was holding. An FBI agent showed the jury the gun, the magazine, and the bullet in the chamber as the prosecution during that testimony really focused in on intent, claiming Ryan Routh was outside Trump's golf course for one reason last year, and that was, they say, to shoot and kill then-candidate Trump and to make sure he didn't get reelected. The prosecution told the jury this plot was carefully crafted and deadly serious. Kelly?
Yeah, and Brooke, you know, with the pace picking up quickly, all of this moving swiftly, has the timeline changed overall?
It will probably get moved up a lot, Kelly. Keep in mind, this trial was slated to last about 3.5 weeks, but the prosecution told the judge on Friday they'll probably be done calling witnesses by Thursday. So things are moving really quickly, and attorneys I've talked with tell me a lot of that likely has to do with the fact that Ryan Routh is representing himself. He does not have a legal background. He's struggled with court procedures. His cross-examinations are very short, and he hasn't objected once. The judge has even had to reprimand him at times, telling him to stay on topic, and that attorneys are on standby and they can step in.
The judge has the power to order that standby counsel, that's the federal public defenders that are there with the defendant in the courtroom, that they take over. She could do that. It's rare, but it does happen. And this may be the case where it needs to happen because he is making a mockery of this case. He is creating a circus out of this case. And yes, right now it only hurts him and his defense, but it could open the door to a successful appeal if he gets real appellate lawyers on his side.
Ryan Routh could call his first witness by Friday. Kelly?
Yeah, all of this getting off to a wild start. All right, Brooke, as always, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.